Okay, I better take you to the vet. Come on. Let's go. Get in the car. Come on. To the car.
Hello, what seems to be the problem?
Her stomach's hurting a lot.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, I have the perfect solution. If you go to your local Petco, you can go and buy the pit treats. They help with pit bulls' sick stomachs.
That's perfect. We'll go there now. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Let's go. Come on.
Hi. Hi, welcome to Petco. What can I get for you?
Do you guys have the Pitts dog treats?
Yeah, we do.
How much do this cost?
$10.
Perfect. I'll take it back.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thanks. You too. All right. Come on. Let's go. You'll feel better soon. Come on.
What up, dogs? We recommend these pit treats because
Pit treats are mainly for pit bulls, but they are also for any other type of breed of dog that you can find. The treat that barks right back